Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here. As we get into week 9, we're going to be talking about the quote-unquote new world exploration by the quote-unquote old world. Just a couple of things as we get started out. First of all, please remember that if you have any questions at all, at least once a week, just kind of pop into the Start Here folder, open it up, kind of look through all the things, course and instructor info. Of course, the syllabus is in here as well, how to contact me. First 4 assignments if you ever want to go back and look at our orientation discussion, things like that. And then, of course, the tips, tricks, and student resources. 99% of every single question I've ever gotten from a student can be answered in this folder. So anyways, make sure you do that. Of course, Monday mornings, watching the video. Good job. And also just want to make sure, go to your grade book, do open up your grade book, look through all your grades, look at the feedback I've given you on assignments and all that good stuff. And of course, make sure you are checking your Schoology messages, your email, all of that stuff. You should be doing that, I would suggest, every day, or at least every couple of days. All right, week 9, we're going into Unit 1 all the way down here at the bottom of Unit 1, Week 9. And as I said, quote-unquote, new world exploration. And we'll kind of be talking about that, why I say quote-unquote, with new world versus old world. Now we're going to be going through this 3 assignments. First thing I want you to do is actually go all the way to the end of the week to the quiz here, the Exploration and Columbian Exchange quiz. And I want you to take that quiz. You're going to be able to take it 3 times this week. Go ahead and take it once today on Monday, just so you can see what the questions are going to be. You can jot down some notes of what the questions, what the key stuff that we're going to be looking at this week. That's why I want you to do that once on Monday. You're going to be able to take it 3 times, like I said. Save your other 2 times to the end of the week. Once you've done the vocab assignment, you've done the discussion board, which is right here, and then the quiz. So make sure the other 2 times you wait till Friday after you've done everything else, watched all the videos, done all the reading. So as I said, exploration vocab assignment. We're going to be turning in our vocab this week, and then you are going to use 5 of your vocab words on the discussion board as well here. So everything ties in together. Kind of some interesting stuff. The real big thing we're learning about is called the Columbian Exchange, and I'll kind of let that speak for itself in there, but part of what we're, the big question on the discussion board then is, why did the old world, so Europe, especially Europe, really get the better end of the deal out of the whole Columbian Exchange and exploration and everything with the quote-unquote new world? All right, and then when you finish vocab, you've gone through all of this, you complete the discussion board here. And discussion board, of course, you have to do your post. Should be a good strong paragraph with at least 5 of your vocab words, 5 vocab words, and then reply to 2 of your classmates. Remember, please, saying I agree or I disagree is not a complete reply. You're supposed to reply, I agree with what you said because, and then present several pieces of evidence from our reading or our videos from the week. That is your evidence. Those are the details we're looking for. And then after you've completed all of that, then take the quiz again. If you don't get 100%, you can still take it one more time. Everyone should get 100% on the quiz every week by the end of the week. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. For those of you coming in on Wednesday, I'll see you then. And yeah, with that, have a great one. Take care.